வணக்கம். Now we are going to see two important rules normally applied in our real life. The first rule is 48-hour rule. This is one of the thumb rules specifically applied in impulse purchases. What are impulse purchases? Shall we see some examples? When we purchase clothing and apparel, food and groceries, shoes, beauty products, books, magazines and newspapers, toys for kids, etc., these purchases are called impulse purchases. This rule states that when we have a strong urge to make an impulse purchase, postpone the purchase for 48 hours. Even after 48 hours, the urge still remains, then go for the purchase. But in most of the cases, it has been found that the urge is no more after 48 hours. This also prevents piling on debit or credit card dues because of these impulse purchases. The second rule is 1% windfall rule. This rule is an interesting one and specifically for using it when you hit a jackpot. This is really a very important rule and worth remembering. This rule talks of what needs to be done in case you hit a jackpot, say lottery, inheritance, house sale, or multi-bagger stock picks. Now, this rule prevents us from taking impulse decisions like spending more on a car, that is new car, or house, and thereby losing the fortune. Now we will see what is the rule. The rule is, in case of windfall, take out 1% of the proceeds after tax and treat yourself. That is for us and for our family. We need to spend only 1% for us and our family. The rest of the money has to be set aside in a bank account and should not be touched for at least 6 months. If you see some of the studies, it has shown that 50% of the windfall is lost in relatively short period of time, and also that 70% of the fortune won through lottery is lost within 3 years. So this rule becomes very crucial to preserve the windfall from rapidly lapsing. Another thing is, when the news about your jackpot spreads, you will have a sudden increase in the number of friends requests as well as visits from relatives. These new characters will mostly disappear when the money is exhausted. Now we will see with a simple example. If you won a lottery of 10 lakhs, that is 1 million, spend 1% of that, that is 10,000 only on yourself and your family. The remaining 9 lakh 90,000 must be set aside in a bank account at least for 6 months. Really, these two rules are very important rules, especially the first rule we have to apply because it plays a vital role, particularly when we have routines. And my opinion, both the rules are related to our state of minds, and these rules have some instant effect when we take some instant decision based on certain situation. So both are very interesting rule to follow. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video with an interesting concept.